Thanks to cool platforms and clever partnerships, do you know you can actually make some cash while binge watching your favorite movie online? How about Hollywood movies like this, or this, and even a list of award-winning movies like all these here? After much time researching, I've got a bunch of neat tricks up my sleeve, all for our subscribers. I'm gonna walk you through how you can get paid to binge watch and potentially pocket anywhere from $50 up to $400 across 3 different apps and websites. Here's a rundown of the chapters we'll tackle in this video. 1. Browse through millions of movie names for a tagger gig. 2. Be part of a research team to watch shows and movies you love while getting paid. 3. Get paid to watch videos and ads and earn more with their cool referral program. Now let's get started. So in our first chapter, let's check out this website called filmtagger.com. You can either hop on Google and find it as the top link or just hit up the link in the description below to get started. Getting paid to watch movies might sound unbelievable, but trust me, it's totally doable. This site is a whole treasure trove for anyone into movies. Whether you're a screenwriter, director, producer, film buff, or just a student trying to ace that film studies class. Now, what I'm about to share is a secret that tons of movie lovers don't even realize exists. It could potentially line your pockets with some decent cash. On this website, you can discover all the movies you love, sorted by subgenres. See these buttons over here? One of them hooks you up with a list of the latest TV series that people are loving. Another one lets you explore different movie themes. And the last one just helps you find movies, plain and simple. Whether you're a hardcore film enthusiast or a student trying to nail down the must-watch films for your thesis, FilmTagger has got your back. Alright, let's search for this Disney film Brave. Here it is, right on the matching results page. Click on the correct movie and check out this movie poster on the left with its movie trailer next to it. Below that is the plot summary and genres. These genres are super important. You'll see all sorts of categories this movie fits into, like themes of adventure, animation, comedy, family, fantasy, and thriller. These tags are key to making money while watching movies. Let me break it down why we need those tags. Let's search Netflix jobs in Google and click the first link that comes up. Or you can just hit up the link in the description. Now, on Netflix, you can actually sign up as a movie tagger. Your job? Watch movies and TV shows on Netflix and then add on the right tags and categories. Basically, you help Netflix organize their massive library by typing in the keywords users are likely to search for. It's like getting paid to watch stuff you'd probably be watching anyway. That means jotting down stuff like who's in the cast and throwing in some catchy details to hook people in. Right now, the only place to score these Netflix tagger gigs is on their website. So keep your eyes peeled. Just hit up their careers page and search for tagger. No openings at the moment, but bookmark it and check back every now and then. Loads of people apply for this, so stay on top of it to apply when it pops up. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from. And trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. In Chapter 2, here's the scoop on another way to get paid for watching movies. Nielsen. The website link will be in the description below. They're a big deal in audience and consumer measurements, the people behind those TV ratings. Been at it for over 90 years, studying consumers in over 100 countries. With the Nielsen computer and mobile panel, you can join their research team just by signing up or installing their app on your devices. But just a heads up, the site won't load properly for everyone, so try turning on a VPN to get the same website you're seeing in this video. What's cool about the Nielsen computer and mobile panel is that it doesn't mess with your viewing habits. Unlike some other services that force you to watch ads or sponsored stuff, you get to pick what you watch. Whether it's YouTube, Netflix, or the news, you're in control. Setting up is quick and easy. Just whip up a username and password, share some basic info, and install the app. Plus, besides the $50 yearly payout, you're in the running for monthly sweepstakes with a total of $10,000 up for grabs among 400 winners, including a grand prize of $1,000. Just keep in mind, by joining the Nielsen panel, you're letting them peek at some of your browsing data. But hey, that's the trade-off for the extra cash. In our third and final chapter, we've got wintub.com. You can pocket around $2 for every 3 minutes of video watching. Check out their site. They've got 2 main ways to rake in cash. First, watch videos like ads, movies, and TV shows online. Second, bring in your buddies through the referral program. For every friend you refer, you get a cool buck, and they receive $5. A win-win situation. So make sure to hit up the link in the description to get your first $5 on WinTub. Once you hit the minimum cash stash in your account, you can easily transfer your earnings to your bank, PayPal, or even your GCash account if you're in the Philippines. With over 1,500 brands on board, including the ones you see here, WinTub.com keeps the video options fresh. Just hit that button and fill in your details: first name, last name, birthday, gender, email, and password. Complete that CAPTCHA and hit create account. And just a quick heads up, not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Now take a look at that. I already got $5 in my account. But wait, there's more! Here's how to make more money on this site. Let's hit that play button on this vid. And we're hit with an ad. No worries, we only gotta sit through 34 seconds of it. Keep an eye on the countdown timer, and when it hits 0, hit complete. Another ad pops up, just rinse and repeat. After that, a message pops up saying we just earned 61 cents. Refresh the page and bam! The balance is updated. Just gotta repeat this process for videos 2 through 5. Only catch, you can only watch 5 videos every 24 hours. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button below. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you more awesome content like this. And hey, while you're at it, why not hit subscribe too? That way, you'll be the first to know about all the latest tips, tricks, and opportunities to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Until next time, happy earning!